Stay the hell away from Washoe 580. Two trucks have flipped over already. Winds are about 80 miles an hour. Here's one truck that just flipped over. The other half, another truck flipped over here. Extremely windy.